Hello, my name's House-Strassman. I'm an 8th grade math teacher here at Young Junior High. Let me talk about myself for a minute. When I graduated from high school, I joined the United States Air Force. I was stationed in Texas, California, and South Dakota. I learned to become an instructor and trainer in the Air Force. I took that with me to Bell Helicopter, where I became a military instructor at Bell Helicopter, teaching operation and repair of many different aircraft for 20 years. It led me to want to fulfill my lifetime dream of becoming a middle school teacher. And so I went back to school, completed my degree at the University of North Texas, got my certification, became a middle school math teacher. My family, let's talk about my family. I'm married to my lovely wife Stacy for 37 years. We have 2 children, Mandy and Amber, and one awesome grandson named Landon. Landon is 10. He's my best friend. We hang out together, do everything together. It doesn't get any better than hanging out with Landon. I have 2 hobbies. One of them is high school football referee. I've been doing that for 27 years. I've been fortunate enough to call 2 state championship games, a 6A and a 2A. And I also have probably called, if you have an older brother in Arlington ISD, a game of his or 2 in my lifetime. My other hobby is I enjoy coaching my grandson's teams. He plays football, baseball, basketball, and he even wrestles, and I coach all of them except for wrestling. I'm not ready for that commitment yet, but I enjoy being out there with him and spending time with him, doing something we both love. Some of my likes. I like steak. I can eat it for all 3 meals. The color blue. My favorite sports team is the Pittsburgh Steelers. Sorry, Cowboy fans. I do like the other Texas teams since I moved down here. I'm a fan of the Rangers, Stars, and Mavericks. My favorite colleges are UNT and Penn State, where I attended both of them. And my favorite pet is my dog, Bo. My favorite animal is an elephant. They're big, strong, and smart animals, and I just think they're neat. But my most favorite thing is being a young eagle. Can't tell you how excited I am to be here this school year. I hope you guys are excited as I am. Starting out in this virtual world, and hopefully before too long we'll be meeting face to face, and I'll see you in the hallway and see you in class instead of just seeing you on this camera. But until then, we'll make it work. I enjoy teaching math. I think you'll enjoy being in my math class. We'll have a lot of fun. We'll learn a lot, and we'll all just have a great time together. So thanks for coming and visiting my virtual world and seeing me on Meet the Teacher Night.